So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in activation settings. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on troubleshoot. Just wait for this to load. If it detects anything, it will try to fix it for you. Also, if you changed hardware on your device recently, then you want to click on this and then follow through the steps. For the second method, click on change. You want to re-enter your product key again. Maybe you typed it in wrong, so just re-enter it again and then click on next. For the next method, go to search and type in change the date and time. Click on it. Once you're on this, make sure that your time zone is correct. Make sure that you have set time automatically turned on. Scroll down and then click on sync now. Make sure that your date and time is synced up. Then you want to reactivate your product key again, see if that works. For the last method, go to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. Once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. Then you want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.